Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about these two Mini GT products, the Nissan S15 Silvia and these Paddock set, and I believe it comes with some extra tires. That is pretty cool, I like that. There's also a Mini GT Advan truck. That one unfortunately is not on my list. Why? Well, we can't have it all, and I already ordered another Mini GT truck. Which one? The one from UPS. And yes, I've ordered it with the figures. Here in the back I got some more Mini GT stuff, and that's for the video from tomorrow. Oh damn, I have to do a video every day or else I get behind schedule. Okay, let's start with this one. And first I'm going to take off the plastic. I ordered these on AliExpress. Why? Well, AliExpress is most of the time a little bit faster with releasing these Mini GT vehicles, and they were offer these products for a pretty good price, so I thought I'll give it a try. Yeah, here you can see Mini GT is active on social media. It's a licensed product. That is what we like, and here we got the barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. And another barcode and article number, and this is for Car Lover Diecast, probably from the Chinese store or the AliExpress store where I've ordered it. We'll place a link in the description so you can see for yourself. Most of the time I order, or actually I order almost all my Mini GT from Tom's, the biggest diecast car store in the world, which is located in the Netherlands. Did a couple of videos over there, so if you want to see the store, go to my YouTube channel, type in Tom's or biggest diecast car store in the world, and you will find my videos. Okay, let's have a look at this beauty. Nice black rims, I like that. We got side mirrors on both sides. I think that's very important. That makes a car realistic. There are a lot of diecast brands, and I'm talking about premium diecast brands, and they don't have side mirrors. Hot Wheels is one of them. Greenlight, not always have side mirrors. Johnny Lightning. Yeah, and a couple of more brands. For a premium model, I think that's a no-go. Beautiful lens lights here in the back. The spoiler is also made out of metal. Thank you very much for that, Mini GT. Then we're going to the beautiful metal base with lots of details. I like that. And normal screws if you want to do some customizing. I don't think that's necessary. Very good rolling wheels. Yeah. If you buy a Mini GT, you will get a good rolling wheels. And for some of you, that is very important, and I totally understand. License plate LBWK. And for a race car like this, what is it, a drift car, I think that's a good license plate. It is not for the street, it is made for drifting / racing. I'll be racing. What's also important for me is the interior. I think a car, and especially a premium diecast car, needs a good interior, and this one has a very good interior. There are also brands like X-Car Toys, and they provide colored details in the interior. That's even better. But if you look at the price quality of Mini GT, it is perfect. If people ask me, can you advise me a good premium brand? Most of the time I say Mini GT, Pop Race, because they offer a really good quality car. Oh yeah, did I mention the profile? Whoa, what do I see here? Check this out. That is not good. But we can fix that easily, and by doing that I feel that you can take off the tire pretty easy. Which brings me to this set, because I was saying I think it comes with some extra tires. could be that they are the same. Well, we will see. Let's take off the plastic. I'm not sure if I'm having Advan figures. That would be even better. I have so many figures. So it is possible I have some Advan figures. Yes, I have Advan figures. I totally have Advan figures. That is cool. I also have an Advan diorama. That is even better. We'll see if I can get it out. But first, we're going to have a look at this one here. Barcode, article number. Also, yeah, I can't say this is, yeah, it has to be licensed because it has Advan advertising on it. Nice packaging, photo of what's inside. Again, the social media from Minigt. Box package, I like that. Okay, what do we got here? We have the tires, which are the same tires as on the car. I like that. You can make a nice setting. This is made out of plastic. Strong plastic. The flags for on top. Also made out of plastic. And here we got the pins. There we go. Very well packed. A little bit too good. Sorry for this. Yeah, there we go. Whoop. Whoop. Okay, I think it's best that we do this first. One. A little bit of pressure, not too much, or else you have the possibility to break something. The holes are not that deep. Whoop. And the last one. There we go. Flags for on top. Start right here. Oh, that goes really easy. I was saying what? Yeah, goes easy. This one has a little bit trouble to fit inside, apparently. I'll switch it with this one. Let's see. Perfect. But here I have one that is too thick, I think. Yeah. Okay, there it goes. Okay. The tires. So here we got the tires, and they're And they're the same as on the car, as you can see. Okay, I will make a nice setting. Back in a sec. Okay, here I have the Advan diorama I was talking about. It comes with light, but there are no batteries inside. And I upgraded it with some tools there in the back in the left. I also put that closet inside, some extra tires. Those Goodrich tires are from Greenlight. Yeah, I added a lot of extra in this diorama, and I think it looks really cool. So there's place for 2 cars, as you can see, and yeah, maybe some figures. So I was talking about Advan figures. Well, I'm not 100% sure if I have more Advan figures than I found. I found this one right here. So I'm going to put this right here. So this is an Advan. Yeah, I think it's from the Shitty Turbo. Let's see. Let's take it outside. Racing Team Motorcycle Girl. So she has Advan. There's a little bit silly face, but kind of cool. Yeah. And here we have the... Oh, I thought it was broken, but it's not. I think this is a pretty cool item. Right, to make a nice setting. So I put that right here. I put this away. Then we can add the girl right here. Whoa! There we go. Okay, this is the best I can do. This is also going to be a thumbnail. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.